Now, because you know the rule, you just formed the rule up there. I would like you to form a noun. What noun did you come up with? Of course, you came up with sehogelo. Sehogelo. This thing that we have done here is called, this is a sehogelo here that we have going on here. Now, I said conjunctives. Conjunctives bring two parts of a sentence together. And would you say that a conjunctive is a sehogelo? Yes? I'm sure you would. Sehogelo is singular. Sehogelo. Just like we did here. This thing here that I'm showing you here, this is a sehogelo. And if I have more than one of these arrangements, what would you call them? That's dihogelo. Now, conjunctives. Sesotho conjunctives. Sometimes people say, is it true? Is it true that you speak, your Chinese accent is so beautiful because you have some similar words in Sesotho? I don't know. You'll have to tell me. If you speak Mandarin, raise your hand.